So for this video, i-unbox natin tong Dashoko special version ng Onigashima version ni Sanji. So last but definitely not the least dito sa ating unboxing series, huwag na natin patagalin, i-unbox na natin tong malupitang figure na to. Rock and roll! Alright. So parang yun nga, katulad ng in-unbox ko earlier for this series sa figures ni Zoro and Luffy. So familiar talaga tong figure na to kasi nakapag-unbox na tayo ng similar figure before. So unfortunately nga wala na yung original na version ng or initial release ng Dashoko sa akin kasi na ko na siya, na out ko na. So magkakaroon na lang tayo ng montage video as comparison since nasa akin pa din naman yung mga clips ng original release. So yun na lang gagawin ko. Hindi ko na sila mako-compare side by side para ma-identify directly kung ano talaga yung pinagkaiba. Pero yan, seal na seal pa, nakita nyo naman. Paklas ko pa lang ng tape, kakahiwa ko pa lang, then white marking, then brown box. So medyo lang, pansin ko lang parang medyo sophisticated ba yung term ng packaging. I think yun yung the best term to para gamitin for the packaging itself. Pero other than that, yung box, yung figure, I think wala namang pinagkaiba. Yun. Pag walang Diablo Jambi, itong figure ni Sanji, or hindi naka-fighting pose, kahit idol ko Sanji, ang boring i-unbox.
Oh no!
Kasi yan lang, figure and base lang usually. Oh, before that, sorry. Yan, markings. May some code na naman siya. And then additional markings of figure. Yan. Vietnam. So doon palang factor nito Vietnam. Pag ako nag-Vietnam, hopefully huntingin ko to. So yun na yun. Okay na to. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here sa ating Dashoko or the Arrival Special Version ng Onigashima Pinsmoke Sanji. Ayan. Kanyang maroon, iconic na maroon na suit for the Onigashima arc with black gloves. Ayan. And then white tie. Ayan. Wala na masyadong effect itong figure. Just Sanji alone. Then gaya ng ginawa ko sa video for Luffy and Zoro. So yan, lalagay ko na lang dito yung picture ng original release ng Dashoko. Yan. Alright. Siyempre hindi mawawala. High test. So Sanji's figure is at 17.5 centimeters. So that's roughly about 7 inches. Alright.
Bago tayo magpatuloy sa video na ito, huwag kakalimutang mag-like, pindutin lang ang thumbs up icon sa baba, at syempre mag-subscribe. Pindutin na din ang bell para hindi kayo maunahan ng mga marites. At kung sobrang nag-enjoy o meron kayong gustong isuggest, please leave a comment below. On to the show! Rock and roll!
And there you have it. The Shoko Special ng Onigashima version ni Vinsmoke Sanji. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll.